This is the most annoying gift you could ever receive. It's my friend Nick's birthday. I got him a knife. I'm gonna make this the most annoying gift to receive using my woodworking skills.
I got some weight to it. You guys are effing with me, right? Am I supposed to break this open or what? Go for me. So far, everybody's gonna pop out.
Oh no! Watch out for your elbow.
Sorry.
I knew this was gonna happen.
Yeah, maybe he's super cool. Oh, I hear something. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's not a cheer.
Oh!
I don't want to break your knife. Oh!
Did it break?
No, I don't think so. Oh yeah.
You did it.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
I wouldn't have known to do that either.
How are you feeling right now?
Confused.